Hello viewers, today we want to look at some risk factors for developing arthritis. And number one risk factor we want to look at is genetic factor. Arthritis has a strong genetic factor which can contribute to individual risk of developing arthritis. And here are some ways in which arthritis is genetically oriented. Number one, family history. Having a family history of arthritis, especially first-degree relatives. When we talk about first-degree relatives, we mean parents or sibling. This increases the risk of developing arthritis. Then number two, genetic predestination. Some genetic variants can predispose individuals to develop arthritis, such as HLA to B27 gene. This type of gene is usually associated with ankylosing spondylosis and psoriatic arthritis. Then we have the HLA to DRB1 gene, which is also associated with rheumatoid arthritis. Then we still have the osteoarthritis susceptibility gene. An example of this is GDF5, ASPN, and COG5. Then number three we want to look at is genetic mutations. Some genetic mutations directly can cause arthritis, such as familial Mediterranean fever. Then genetic mutation is associated with periodic fever and arthritis. Under genetic mutation, we still have tumor necrosis factor receptor associated periodic syndrome. This gene mutation is usually associated with periodic fever and arthritis at the same time. Number four is epigenetic factor. Epigenetic factor has to do with chemical modifications or proteins which affects the gene expression without altering the DNA sequence. This can also contribute to arthritis development. Then number five is genetic environmental interactions. The interactions between genetic and environmental factors like lifestyle, diet, exposure to toxin can also influence the development of arthritis in our body. But note that genetics is not the sole determinant of arthritis development in our body. Environmental and lifestyle factors like age, obesity, joint injury can also play an important role in developing arthritis in our body. And we shall look at this in our videos to follow. Please watch out for this.